Hi, it's Kyla with Radiant Divine. So today we are doing PEP FACTOR on this patient. PEP FACTOR is growth factors and copper peptide that is used to help restore hair growth. So with this treatment, you do a series of 6, you do a treatment every 2 weeks, and you actually will start to see new hair growth within 4 weeks of your first treatment. Full results are 3 months after your last treatment. So this patient is on treatment number 4, and we're already seeing a lot of new growth coming through. So she's been numbed topically, and then now we're gonna go in, I'm just cleaning everything off, and then we're gonna go in and inject the PEP FACTOR. Okay, here we go. So with this treatment, you don't feel the pinch of the needle, but there is pressure from what is injected. Okay, that's it, you did it. Okay, so we just finished up the PEP FACTOR. Like I said, you'll start to see results in about 4 weeks, full results 30 days after your last treatment. So this is going to stimulate new hair growth, and it works great for men and women.